Hi everyone, welcome back and welcome to our today's tutorial. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a tutorial, you'll get a notification. Today's video, we're going to crochet this beautiful headband for a 6 to 12 months old baby girl, and these here are standard measurements that I use for different projects, including headbands. So for a 6 to 12 months old baby girl, the head circumference is 16 to 17 inches. The thickness or the distance from here to here, I made 1.5 inches. So you can make it wider than this. Yeah, just how you prefer it to be. So for our project, you're going to need a medium weight yarn. This is 4-ply Winter King, a Kenyan brand, which is 100% acrylic, and the hook size is 3.5 millimeter. I will need a yarn needle to weave in the ends. I will need a flower to attach to my headband, and I have a tutorial for this one, and I'll be leaving the link in the description box so that you can check it out. I'll need a pair of scissors and a measuring tape to take my measurements. So let's get started. So start by making a slip knot, and then chain a total of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then we skip the first chain, and into the second chain we're going to make a half double crochet. So grab yarn, insert your hook in that chain, grab yarn, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, grab yarn and make a half double crochet. So into the next chain, grab yarn, insert your hook in that chain, grab yarn, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, grab yarn and pull through all. That is second half double crochet, and we're going to make half double crochets in each and every chain to the end. Half double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet to the end. And at the end of this first row, you're going to have a total of 8 half double crochets. Okay, so we've come to the end. You're going to start the next round. So you chain 1 and turn your work, grab yarn, insert your hook in the very first stitch and make a half double crochet. Into the next, half double crochet, into the next, a half double crochet, and we're going to make half double crochet in each and every stitch across. So at the end you'll have a total of 8 half double crochets. So you make sure that you don't skip this very last stitch. So we complete row 2. We are going to start row 3 and we chain 1, then turn, start making half double crochets in each and every stitch, a half double crochet, half double crochet, to the end. Chain 1, turn, start making half double crochets in each and every stitch. So we're basically going to repeat this one row of half double crochet in each and every stitch until we achieve the length that we want to make. And since I'm making a headband for 6 to 12 months old baby, I'm going to make a length of between 16 and 17 inches. So I'll meet you when I have 16 inches to show you the next step. So when you get to the end of the row, you chain 1 and turn your work and start making half double crochet in each and every stitch to the end, and repeat that pattern all the way to the end of your project. So we're almost done, and I made 50 rows of half double crochets. So this is the last one, and I just want to confirm the length. So from here all the way to this point, it's 16 inches, and it can stretch up to 17 right there. So the next step, we are going to join with this other end. So I'll chain 1, then turn and insert my hook in both loops on this first side, and then both loops on the other side. Grab yarn and make a slip stitch. Then going to the next one, insert your hook both sides, grab yarn, make a slip stitch. Next, both sides, insert your hook, then grab yarn and make a slip stitch. So continue like that to the end. Then you fasten off and cut your yarn. So this is how it looks like. So this will be the wrong side for our headband. So you turn it like this. Okay, so I'm going to hide these two tails. So I'm going to use this same tail to attach my flower. So I'll pass it to the right side like this. And then bring my flower and attach it there. So just going to pass this needle through these loops here and I'll go ahead and ensure that it is well attached and secure. Yeah guys, so the tutorial for this flower, as I said, it's in the description box, so go check it out so that you can make your flower and attach to your headband, or even a dress. Yeah, you can use it on different projects. So once it's well secured, you can cut that tail, and that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial to this point. Please give this video a like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.